What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday and it is a hot one here in New York. It has been about 80 and sunny all day. Some clouds did roll in not too long ago to cover the sun a bit, but all morning we were out in the sun here. Over the weekend we had a couple guys here working, and then obviously all day today, and as you can tell there is quite a bit of progress done on this house. I'm gonna walk you around and show you pretty much everything that has been done. Obviously, the most obvious is the roofs are on both sides now. The left side we did on Friday. We got all those rafters in, and they completed everything up there and sheetrocked about 90% of it. It might be done now. We've had a couple guys up there today. I was down in the second floor, so I can't really see them while I'm working. But we also have a couple guys on the right side there getting those rafters in and getting that plywooded, so you can see how the right side there dives in about halfway up the wall, and it is a very nice roof detail here, also with 4 massive windows in the front. This house is going to look very nice. Another thing to notice down here on the front, all of the brick is off of the exterior wall here, and there will be a deck from that corner to somewhere about here. I don't think it goes all the way across. We could look at the plans later and see, but I know there's a deck a majority of the front of the house, so obviously front door will be getting changed and whatnot. So we have quite a bit of work to do down here still. Inside we have one guy ripping all the old flooring up. As you can see, all of the spray foam has been taken out of all of the walls. Besides that, not much has really changed in there, so we'll skip that floor for now, but let's walk around back and I'll show you guys what it looks like from the hill up here. This roof detail is very nice. So the back of the house, there's only 2 windows, one over there in the, I guess they have a kid's bedroom. I'm not sure if they have any kids or not, but there is one extra bedroom over there. And then that room there is, I believe that is a bathroom there. There's a laundry room and a bathroom. Actually, I think it goes bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, master walk-in closet, I believe. They have 2 closets here. So a smaller closet with the window. I'm not really sure if it's going to be used as a closet or what they're going to use it as. And I know this room on the corner here is a big walk-in closet. So the house is looking very nice, but let's go up on the second floor here. We'll go over some things. We were just throwing in some gable studs. We've been moving scaffolds around all day, getting them to where we need them, climbing up and down. But let me climb under this bracing here. So you can see we did all these gable studs today, all the way across there. We did a couple on the front here, got a couple up here, and then we just finished this whole wall here. So let's not much has changed on this floor, I don't believe, since the last time I recorded on here. So let's go up to the roof here. Javi, hey, what's up? Oh, come on. Oh. So another thing to notice, we have 2-foot soffit on this entire house. So you add a 2x6 in like that just to support it here so nothing drops. But as you can see, all these rafters are in there. Working on the end down there, I guess they finished all of the roof sheathing because earlier I did climb up there and I was able to climb up in a little hole right there. So all of this, I'll climb up here and give you guys a little shot through the gap here. Oh, I'm stuck. 1 second. So that's that whole roof, and you can see 2-foot soffit all the way down this side as well. We do have some gable studs to do in here as well. This is a attic space in here with an attic stairwell over there. So obviously we have all of our 16s marked. I don't know if you can even see that, but they're all marked. We do have to transfer them up to the rafter with, I'll show you real quick. Just like that, with a couple, let me climb over there, a couple 2x4s ripped across and then a top plate nailed to them. So 2x4s 14.5 in between the bays, and then a 2x4 to the bottom. You keep them up 1.5 inches, that way when you sheetrock, obviously you're up to the ceiling. Well, sheetrock will be on this side, but you do all that and then you add a sheetrock nailer along the side right there. But this is all an attic space here. That is the attic stairs there. You see, I'm not going to be able to, I don't think. I was going to try and sneak around right here, but there's no way. It's all the plywood's on. So we can't go up on that roof right now, but let's climb down real quick and we'll get the plans and I'll tell you the correct layout of these rooms. So this room along with this room, I believe on the plans, are both as, oh, that's the garage. Let's find the second floor. Nope, gotta be after it. Existing bedroom, existing bedroom. That's first floor. So there's a good picture of what the front, so you see the porch comes to here. This is what we just framed in. It's not completely framed in there, but that is interesting. It is X'd out. That's a garage door right now, but they have it shown as two doors there. Yeah, I need, let's see, oh, I'm hitting myself in the face here. Let's start back on the front. Where's the second floor? Oh, these are, I have the wrong plans here, I think. We got 2 sets of plans here. Okay, yeah, so walk-in closet. I guess they have 2 walk-in closets here. Then you have the bathroom, then the laundry room. So we're in the walk-in closet now. The next room here is also a walk-in closet with a window in it. So that's the only difference. This closet here has no windows at all. But I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we'll be back here, and I think Wednesday I'm not going to be here. I think I'm going to be working at our Dutchess yard, doing something with our concrete forms, getting them all organized for the next job. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.